Hi everyone, Greg here. Listen, I'm a really happy man today because, last year I went to Subway to get my favourite Subway sub, the seafood sensation, and only to find out that they don't do it anymore. I was shocked, along with millions of other Australians and people around the world. And the good news is they have brought the seafood sensation sub back. You know what? I think I am the reason why they have brought it back. I might be talking myself up here, but I mean, if it wasn't for my video that got thousands of views, they might not have realised how much people really did love that sub. Anyway, I'm going to go and grab one for lunch. I can't wait to get it. Let's go get one! Alrighty, well, here we go. The seafood sensation sub, and the beauty about this is that it's on the $5 value lunch meal. Yes, $5. I got the 6-inch though. But anyway, let's suss out what I got on mine. I'm so happy, oh so happy. Oh, I can't believe it. Because of me, they brought it back, is what I keep telling myself. Hey, thank me! Alright, well, here we go. The seafood sensation sub. There's a lot of S's in there. And on mine, I got the wheat bread. I got the lettuce, tomato, onion, olives, pickles. I also got jalapenos. I got the old English style cheese with carrots. I don't know why I got carrots for. But the lady behind the counter recommended the seafood sauce, so I got that. And here's the seafood sensation. All it is, it's just that mix, you know. And I've got a video on how to make this, by the way, if you're interested in that. I'll pop that up now. But it tasted exactly the same as this, by the way. But there we go, the seafood sensation from Subway. I can't believe it. They brought it back. Yes, good on you, Subway. And listen, if you hear any funny banging noises, don't worry. I'm just parked under a tree and there's a couple of pterodactyls that are eating baby possums up there. So don't stress. They might be dropping a few bones and things down. Anyway, let's dive on in. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, I'll tell you what, the jalapenos are hot on this, and something else that was funny about it is the seafood sauce I used. It seemed really sweet for some reason. I actually asked for the ranch and I was going to get mayo, but she did suggest the seafood sauce, and I think I would have preferred it the way I wanted it. But that's alright, I can dig it. I'm still really enjoying it. Actually, this Italian herb bread seems a little bit overpowering too for this. I'm sure that's what I used to get last time. Mate, still, I love the taste of that seafood extender in this. It just goes so well with all the salads. It's so fresh. I mean, it's such a great summer sub. Fresh, clean tasting, healthy tasting. I just really love the seafood one. So thanks, Subway, for bringing it back. Because of me. So, I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $5, mate. What an absolute little bargain. Mate, that's one of the best value things, ever. Oh, except for those $4.95 fill-up boxes and those ones from KFC and from Red Rooster and that. But besides that, Absolute bargain. You get 2 scoops of the seafood extender on there too, you little ripper. Love that. Taste-wise, well, the taste is sensational, mate. That's why they call it the seafood sensation, right? That's why I kept craving for it, and, well, I didn't go to Subway for years because they didn't have it. Now they've got it back, mate. I could be here once a week. Maybe even 15 times. I thought this Italian herb bread was a little bit maybe over the top for it and sort of sweet, but the herbs on it sort of were maybe a bit overpowering. I probably should have got something a little blander, like a white bread. The seafood sauce I got on this also, well, I mean, that was a little bit too sweet. I know that's what they recommend, and it was good, but I think I would have preferred something maybe just along the lines of mayonnaise or something a little bit more neutral. The size was good, it's a good sized meal, and for $5, what a bargain. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the seafood extender, $5 Subway sub, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I love this sub. I will be back all the time for it. It's so fresh and tasty, and mate, I tell you what, I just love them. And I know a lot of people prefer the hot subs, but I'm a cold sub man. I live in the tropics, I like it cool and chilled, so this is perfect for me. And well, what can I say? I absolutely love it.
Then why didn't you give it a 10 out of 10?
Well, because the sauce was a bit too sweet on this one, and the bread I could have chosen a better one, but otherwise it would have got a 10. But 9 is a pretty good score, and go out and get one so they don't take it off us again. If you like these videos, remember to show them some thumb and love, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time I eat something amazing like a scrawny old sub from Subway. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is great.